Lavender Castle, a place of legend, fabled right across the universe. This is our quest to find it.
Squeaky! That's an ancient clonal manuscript. They're priceless.
Fear not, Miss Leica. I will return your manuscripts forthwith. Instead of sucking, I simply have to blow.
What in space is
So that's where they've been hiding.
Oh, my humblest apologies, Captain. Sometimes I don't know my own strength.
Oh, yes. Apology accepted. But we were lying low, and now we'll have to move on. Aegon must have seen us.
Go. Follow them, and this time don't lose them.
Of course, Master.
Let me see. According to my calculations, she'll find the paradox here. So she'll have to pass through Spartan's Void. And what's this? A black hole? And right in her path? Watch out, my little pet. There's a black hole right in front of you!
Where? Oh,
Oh, too late. Now anything could happen to her. She might shrink to the size of an atom.
What's happening to me? What's going on?
On the other hand, she could become gigantic.
I feel like a new bird. I'm 10 times the bird I used to be. The paradox. Geronimo!
Captain Thrice, not wishing to cause alarm, sir, but we're being attacked by a giant falcon.
A giant falcon? I doubt that, Sir Squeak-a-Lot.
Hang on! Who rattled his cage?
Got them. Thrice. You're down the drain and you'll stay there. What's going on? Where's the paradox? Can't you hear me? Where is the paradox? You've let them escape, haven't you? Go back to the black hole. You might return to your normal size, if you're lucky.
We're stuck in the mongrel's throat, like an enormous chicken bone.
Oh, Sproggle don't want to be a chicken bone.
Oh, oh.
For the last time, Halfwit, what happened to the paradox? It can't have just disappeared. You've lost it, haven't you?
That's Aegon's voice. We must be inside the dark station.
We'll suffocate if we stay here. We've got to get out.
But how? Sorry. But how? We're stuck fast.
Perhaps we can make it sneeze. Leica, do you have any of your famous sneezing powder handy?
I have, but how can I administer it?
Captain Thrice, why don't I use this?
No, because this is an emergency, Sir Squeakalot. This is no time for housework.
No, sir, I don't mean to suck. I mean to blow.
Oh, Sir Squeakalot, you're a genius.
Shh.
All right, Squeaky. Do your stuff.
Certainly, Miss Leica.
So that's where it went.
Oh, me nuts and bolts.
Mine went... Oh, that hurt.
Captain Thrice, sir. The giant falcon. It's right behind us.
This time I believe you. Isambard?
Say no more, Captain.
I'm afraid it's right behind us, Captain. Oh, it's going to swallow us again.
Roger, watch out! The black hole's straight ahead of us.
We've got to go through it again. It's our only chance.
Oh, no. Help! Not again!
Did you see the falcon? We must be back to full size.
Well done, Roger.
Oh, yes. Thank you, Roger.
I see a falcon!
Where?
Where is it?
Where is it?
I can't see.
No, I can't see it.
Means
There it is.
Why, look, it's only a wee birdie. Who's a pretty boy, then? Who's a pretty boy, then?
Who's a pretty boy, then? Who's a pretty boy, then?
Not you, for starters.
Oh! Sproggle not scared of falcon.
Oh, Mr. Sproggle.
Oh, dear.